Hi everyone, Searing Frost here in the Python library. Today we're going to check out the Requests library. Requests is a fantastic open source library for sending HTTP requests. Requests abstracts away the details and complications of the standard library URL lib module. Requests can be installed with pip install requests. Here's a list of the HTTP methods and the requests equivalents. You'll see that it's a fairly straightforward relationship. To see how easy using requests is, let's just make a GET request for the James Heath blog. First, we need to import requests. We'll set the blog URL to a string, then set the GET request to a response object. The status code available, and luckily it is a 200 success code. We can see the HTML string with response.text. Requests is great for communicating with APIs. Let's try out some requests with query parameters and headers. The National Weather Service has an open API that we can use to test requests out. The API is linked in the video description. Once again, we import requests and set the URL to the API. We're going to specifically look at the station URL to get a list of weather stations. The header is going to contain a user agent used to identify who is making the request. The API currently doesn't have any authentication requirements. For the parameters, we're going to ask for up to 10 weather stations in either North Carolina or Virginia. We just need to pass all of this to our GET request. We can check that the status code is success. And a great thing about the requests library is that we can get JSON responses as Python dictionaries using the JSON method. Now we can just operate on the JSON like a Python dictionary and get the name of a weather station. Thanks for joining me in the Python library to talk about requests. There are other parameters you can specify and pass into your HTTP requests. Some common examples are timeout and authorization. Mostly, requests just works exactly how you hope it would, and it makes your life dealing with HTTP simple. Links to my blog post on the request library and the video code are in the description. I'll see everyone next time.